Okay guys, we got a big one. We got a big one. It's gonna be a big bass coming in from Wasaga Beach. Pulling it in on the pier here. It's been a tough one, guys. It's trying to tire it out. It's swimming and it's pulling my line. You gotta leave some slack here so you can just keep pulling back and forth and then winding in slowly. So I'm gonna wind it in and then let off some slack here. Yeah, you're gonna want to release some slack so then it can swim far out and then it's gonna swim back in. So just keep going, guys, and keep pulling it in slowly. Don't pull it in too fast. If you pull it in too fast, then you might lose your bait and snag the line. You don't want that to happen. So you're just gonna have to, you know, there's something big that could be coming in. So you always be ready, be prepared. Got a big one here, it's coming in. We got a big one. Okay guys, we're gonna pull on the line. We're gonna let some slack out. Okay, we got a big one. Okay, well, in this moment, guys, what you want to do is you just want to pull back on the line and you're going to wind in, guys. You're going to let some slack coming in and then you're going to just let it swim out. You're going to let probably 3 kg. Now you're going to let the slack line out a little bit and then you're going to pull it in, okay? So you're going to try to tire out that fish there. Okay, so you're going to just let some slack out and you're going to wind in slowly. So you're going to wind it in slowly, guys. I don't know what we have here, but it's probably a big bass. Okay. It's coming in, guys. It's coming in. Just have to tire it out. Hey guys, this is a big fish. It is a big fish. You have to find this sucker in, guys, okay? So it's holding on the line for some time. You have to bring it in as soon as possible, guys. This is a big bass. Guys, this is a big fish here. I can't wait to pull it up, guys. I'm so excited. Thanks for tuning in on the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks, guys. I'm gonna be winding this fish in. For more fishing videos, let me know. You know, there's so much fishermen out here today. They caught a fish over there. We're about to catch a fish here too, so let's just tire the fish out. Okay, let's go.